Task 2. The Nature of Linguistics and Language. Student Loendis Camargo, course Introduction to Linguistics. In this opportunity, I'm going to tell about step 3. In a short video, you have to explain what a dialect is and give one example according to the Colombian context. Dialects. Dialects are the different specific ways of speaking the same language in a community, be it a region, country, municipality, or continent that is very different or distinguished from other communities with other dialects. For example, in Colombia there are several dialects, including coastal dialect and Paisa dialect, which are different, but both belong to the Spanish language. People speaking or have expression different, but belong to Spanish language. And finish. Thank you.